It's a new 2020 Genesis G70. Sophisticated elegance with athletic performance and attention to detail equals one lasting impression. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, hands-free liftgate, twin turbo V6 engine, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, external memory control, heated steering wheel, 4-corner auto leveling suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.